Okay, once again this is 5-minute modules where I show you how you can do these exercises in 5 minutes or less. Today we're going to look at 4.1 B and C, which are basically doing the definition of the target population and also defining your target population for this section of the exercises. So as we do each time, let's take a look at the instructions. The first one is just to find the definition from the Maxwell Manual of the term target population. Now this appears in two places in the Maxwell Manual, on page 38 and page 40. So let's take a look at the Maxwell Manual and just try to find it. The first place here on the top of page 38 is in the bulleted target population, and it says it's the entire group of individuals about whom you want to gather information. It also appears right here in the middle of page 40. So you could take it, basically you're getting the same definition, it's only where you're copying from and how you're going to cite it when you put it into the module. So let's go back to the module. We go here, place the definition, and we're going to copy the definition. The entire group of individuals about whom you want to gather information. And also important is to make sure that you have a citation. So this would be Copland 2007 because it's from the Maxwell Manual, and I just chose page 38. The second part is just to identify the target population for your survey. Now, as we discussed, what the target population is the entire group of individuals, and out of that we're going to take a sample who we're actually going to survey and collect data on. Now, in the previous, or 4.1, I discussed, let's say, doing a survey for riverkeepers. And I want to define my target population as being, okay, the adult residents of Westchester County, New York. And the approximate size of the population, and we do this calculation later on, I think in 4.3, is about 721,326 roughly. This is basically a population of greater than 18 years old, of a population of 949,113 in Westchester County. About 76% is above that, and therefore that defines the approximate size. Now, you don't need to be this precise. If you say 700,000, that's perfectly adequate. It's sometimes a little bit difficult to get a precise number on the target population, but we just want to, let's say, have an approximate size before we proceed. Now this has been short, so I'm going to end here, and once again, thank you for listening to 5-Minute Modules.